Hey, what's up guys? Figured I'd post a new video of the truck. It is now lowered, but not. I do have the 305 4522s on, the Lexani LX30s. I've actually ran these on a previous trucks and had great results. They ride great. I've had them in snow. Surprisingly, they do well in snow. I've traveled across country with them. But yeah, so what happened, the reason I say not on lowered, is I changed out the struts. You can see the magneto on here still, they're not flat, so I think they gave me the wrong struts. I think it's still sitting about the stock height of a trail boss in the front, 2-inch, because it's definitely clearing. I mean, it's basically a 33 by 12 and a half street tire with the 2-inch wheel spacers. So the plan is to lower it down some more. Rear, plan on dropping it 2 more inches. I didn't want any squat, so I didn't put those on yet, the drop shackles. Let's see, cover and the blocks are out. No shaking, no vibration, none of that. So that's that. Not exactly where I wanted. Need about, I'm guessing 2 to 3 inches lower in the front, 2 in the back, because I do want to keep that, I think it's called bulldog stance, muscle car stance, something along those lines. Not exactly sure the word. See the RK Sport hood, the rough country light bars. I've had them on for about 1.5 years. I've had no issues, but they do have moisture in them, which does annoy me. But oh well, they still work fine. The light up bow tie emblem, that's factory. I did do the fog lights. It's like a 30% tint on them. This truck is the midnight edition, so you can see the little carbon fiber inserts in there in the headlights, and it does have the thicker driving running light. For the mirrors, they 30% tint on them as well. The GM, they're like the LTZ High Countries fender or pillar, I think they're called pillars. 5% tint all the way around. So the trail ball stickers will be coming off. Back end, taillights were painted. I had one guy ask about the emblems. These came off eBay. I've had no issues out of them. These also came off eBay. They're starting to fade, so I probably will change them out. Factory GM bed cover. So this is a Dynamax muffler change on the exhaust, just a shackle, because when I do see people broke down, I do have like a 30-foot thing or 30-foot rope and try to pull them out or pull them whenever they need. Just try to be a good citizen, I guess you could say. But here's the back view. So next month I'm actually going back home, and the truck is getting ceramic coated because it's got a bunch of little swirls and scratches, even though it's never been through a car wash. For those of you curious on the angles, they have a slide angle still, so I think it does have like a I think these are the 2-inch struts. Truck still drives fine. I had it aligned perfect. Sunroof was tinted 5% as well. The hood lined up very well when that was put on. The other side. So see where I had trimmed. I did rub on the old setup. See the calipers. Need to touch those up. That's the G2 caliper paint. But yeah, this is basically a better in-depth video now that it's lowered. Somebody did hit me right there. Good thing it didn't do much damage and left, but you know, people ain't gonna tell about that. For the tips, they are 4-inch. So I got quad 4-inch under there. This is idle noise. There's the differential cover. I don't have the spare on right now. Did do the rear shocks. Just the factory Z71 ones. So I'm living in Florida, or stationed in Florida, I should say, from West Virginia, but a little inside. It is the LT. There's the drop shackles are over there. Holly accidentally sent me the wrong, or some wires, even though I didn't order them. I reached out to them, but they said to keep them. Keep that at all times. That way, if I need to pull somebody who's broke down, because it does get hot here and down here in Florida. Just cleaned the truck up. Typically, what I use seems to make the black look good. For the dash that was changed, I do need to get the navigation because that is blank. That's in the future. Economy, it doesn't do the best, being a 6.2. Doesn't show the navigation yet because I don't have that. But let's see. Does have G-force. Does have a lap timer, even though this truck will never see a lap. Performance, I have did the performance timer. I don't think it's exactly right, just because being at the drag strip, I have ran some muscle cars and it's saying it's like a 7 or 8 second 0 to 60, which being an all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive doesn't seem to, seems quicker than that. I need a draggy to actually get the true time. Got the performance, oil pressure, oil temperature, the economy trim, actual true coolant temperature. It is 87 degrees right now, so it's pretty warm out here. But yeah, I think normally I average about 13, but it's just where it's been sitting here idling. Here's an in-dash. Let me see. Hold on, there's a car coming. Move out of the way. I don't know what he's doing, which this is just a random road. Hopefully it don't rain, because I literally just washed this thing. But as soon as he leaves, we'll finish off the video. Truck does have a sunroof, tinted 5%. Everything is tinted 5% in here. The whole windshield is actually tinted 20% with a 5% strip. That's just past the ASC line, or AS whatever line it's called. I'll get a rev video as soon as he passes. I'm not sure what he's doing right now. He just stopped in the middle of the road. Maybe he's doing exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, so with the new dash, with this dash, I do plan on upgrading to where I have true navigation, because I don't have it right now. Does anybody have an issue with this vent? If I hit a hump, it never wants to stay up, as you can, I don't know, I just need to take the Chevrolet or something. Okay, well, I guess he's just sitting here. Not exactly sure what he's doing. We'll drive on up through here. Put manual mode. There's a little rev, first gear, just a little baby pull. But pull in here and I will finish this video off. Let me put this phone down for just a second. had to open the gate. Oh, some dirt right there. So when driving this truck, I do have the Pulsar on it, and it is on level 5. Barely pushing the gas. It does want to blow the tires off everywhere I go, which is unfortunate. Which I could turn it down, but I do like the heaviness. Pull in my garage real quick. Oh, there it goes. Guess I hit it twice. All right. Pop the hood. But yeah, the hood is functional. Got the rotor pad with the top undone. My Pulsar is actually hidden and zip tied down in there to where you can't even see it. All its factory. JLC catch can. The only thing I have other than that is the 6 high mod from, I think it's DIY lighting, or Gen 5 DIY lighting. The harness down through there, it goes through there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Open garage. So yeah, future plans, lower it a couple more inches. Get it ceramic coated next month, and I think some Go Fast goodies after that will be coming for it. And lastly, if anybody needs a 35-inch spare, I'm looking to get a stock one again. Tread isn't the best, but if you have a 35, it does fit under there, 1250. Just don't feel like putting it on back yet. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think, what videos. May be having a future vehicle coming to the channel. Looking to get maybe a Jeep TJ to start building. Yeah, see y'all.